Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to turn off notifications on your Mac. It's a really simple process, so let's get started. First, you need to click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Once you've done that, click on System Settings. Now that you're in the System Settings application, look for the section labeled Notifications. Click on it. This is where all your notification settings live. If you want to turn off all notifications on your Mac completely, find the Show Previews option. You'll want to make sure this is set to Never. Also, toggle off the bottom 3 options, just like you see on the screen. This will silence everything. However, if you'd rather customize your app notifications individually, you'll want to make sure Show Previews is not set to Never. So in this example, I'm going to select When Unlocked, which enables notifications in general. With notifications enabled, you can now choose the specific application you want to customize. For example, I'll select Messages. Here, you can go through all the different settings and choose exactly how you want notifications to behave for that app. You can adjust things like the alert style, banners, badges, and even sounds. In this case, I've got all my notification alerts turned on, but I've turned off the play sound for notifications setting. Remember, you'll need to repeat this process for every single app that you want to change the notification settings for. For example, for Notepad, I've done the exact same thing, kept notifications on, but disabled the sound. And that's it. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tutorials.